Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today I'm going to share with you the most demanding, stylish, stunning and eye-catching nail art designs. So these are very beautiful and very gorgeous designs for those ladies and for those girls who love to try this type of trendy and stunning things. You can try these with any type of wearing, like with office wear, party wear, street wear, casual wear, wedding wear, even with any type of wearing. These will enhance your personality wherever and whenever you want. All the designs are so beautiful, stylish, trendy and lovely. So my dear friends, I must suggest you must watch this video till the end and try one of these nail art designs. My dear friends, if you want to buy these nails online, I will tell you the best websites from where you can shop these. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get notification of all my videos and you will never miss any collection of my YouTube channel. So my dear friends, you can buy these from www.amazon.com, www.shoeever.com, www.etsy.com, www.lightinthebox.com, www.aliexpress.com, and some other websites. So my dear friends, if you like my video, please hit the like button in my YouTube channel. I always try to show you the video of the most demanding and trendy fashion and designs of latest fashion through my videos. So please tell me in the comment section that how was the video and how were the designs. And if you want to know about something else, then tell me in the comment section. I will try my best to show you the video that you like and the video of most demanding and trendy fashion. So my dear friends, till the next video, goodbye. Thanks for watching my video. Keep visiting my channel for more ideas and more videos and more collection of trendy fashion. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like my video, and also don't forget to share my video and give your feedback in the comment section. So my dear friends, till the next video, goodbye. See you soon with the most demanding fashion. Goodbye, take care.